జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 7th చాప్టర్ జ్ఞాన విజ్ఞాన యోగము 27th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ అర్జునుడితో పాటు మనందరికీ జ్ఞాన విజ్ఞాన యోగాన్ని ఉపదేశం చేస్తూ ఉన్నాడు. పరమాత్మ అంటూ ఉన్నాడు, అర్జున, ఎవ్రీ సోల్ in their previous life they have some likes and dislikes towards pleasures and troubles, and those subtle impressions they carry and again takes birth. With the effect of those previous impressions in this life, they like what they supposed to be not liking. They dislike all the good things. So every living being is under that effect of purva janma samskaram, purva janma vasana. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining us why we are not liking good things and why we are liking bad things. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Ichchadvesha samuthena dvandva mohena bharata सर्वभूतानि सम्मोहं सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप. ॐ. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव. पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, now Maitreya is continuing answering all the questions of Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Jiva, he is in the body. So whatever the changes occur to body, this Jivatma, the soul, feels that it is happening to him. Yadha jale chandramasaha kampadihi tat kruto gunaha. When moon reflects in the water, whenever that water moves, we feel that Chandra, the moon, also is moving. But the one who is not moving appears like he is moving because his reflection is in the water, which has the nature of moving, nature of shaking. So also, because this body, it is more tends to get changes, because soul, Jivatma, is in the body, whenever there is a change to this body, it feels that these changes are occurring to the soul. The soul feels like that. But never the nature of this body taints on soul. O Vidura, now about Paramatma. Paramatma never had any association with karma. That is why the body, the Prakriti, can never show its impact on Paramatma. Vidura, Paramatma and Jivatma both are in the same body. Jiva is there in the body, Paramatma is there in Jiva. So that is how Paramatma, Jivatma, though both are in the same body, Jivatma gets influenced by Prakriti, the Shariram. But Paramatma, he never gets influenced by this Prakriti, the Shariram, whereas Paramatma makes this Prakriti, the body, used for him as his instrument. To that extent, he keeps the Prakriti under his control. That is Paramatma. So with all this, Paramatma never gets tainted with any contamination. Not only that, Vidura, Jivatma can also be free from all contamination. How? Only when Bhagavad Bhakti Yogena Vasudeva Anukampaya. If Jivatma, while performing his Karma Yogam and does surrenders to Paramatma with all of his attention and devotion, then with the blessings of Paramatma, with the compassion of Paramatma, this Jivatma can also get relieved from all contamination. That is how Maitreya is answering the questions of Vidura. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 27th sloka. Ichchadvesha samuthena dvandvamohena bharata sarvabhutani sammoham sarge yanti parantapa. इच्छाद्वेषसमुत्थेना द्वन्द्वमोहेन भारत सर्वभूतानि सम्मोहं सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप. श्रीमन्नारायणा करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.